Welcome back to my channel. This is called Further Solutions Academy. Help us to share our video and also subscribe to it. If you have not subscribed before, please help us to do so. It's very important to us, please. And this channel, we are really helping people, and I'm really happy that people are helping me back. Let me to view all the time. Share it to your friends and other people. And any video that has parts, make sure you start from part one. Before you go advance of mathematics, especially OG and other those things, make sure you understand the background of them, which is calculus, differential calculus and integral calculus and other aspect of indices and so on and so forth. Make sure you are all okay with it. And any subject, any topic you have problem with, just come to this channel. It will surely be solved. And this is part 2 of this video. I've done part 1. I've explained the meaning of reduction order, and I've showed how the cases comes up. Now, but in this particular one, I'll be working on case B only. While the next one, if possible, there is time, I can also ship in case B, C. But I'll be working on the case when B is missing. When X is what? S is missing. If my S is missing, okay, that is the case I will be working on. That is the outline of this video. Now, and for instance, if I have if my S is what is missing, how will I solve that kind of problem? It means y prime prime, it will be equals to what? Function of what? Y of y prime. That is it means, that is to say, my S is what? Is missing. Okay, that is to say, my S is what? Is missing. How will I solve this type of problem? What I will just do is that you just let my V equals to what? U of y prime, which also implies V prime equals to y prime prime, which can also be equals to, I can now move on by saying that what? My V, my U, my function of what? Function of y, it will be what? V, because of what? I'm having V prime. It means this will represent what? V prime. That is all about this. Now, which can also be implies my V prime, it will be equals to what? Function of what? U of V. If I have function of U prime, hence, now, here, note, here, 3 variables. 3 variables, V of X and Y are involved by using function of function of function, or the standard name is called chain. Sorry, forgot. Let me use the word chain rule. It's good to use a chain rule, which is called a chain rule. Chain rule is better to use. Chain rule. Some people call it function of function. I'm very used to function of function, but let's use the word chain rule. Now, if I want to use my chain rule with this type of problem here now, how will I achieve that? Now, if my V prime, it will be equals to what? The V, the what? The X, which also can be what? Can also be equals to what? The V all over what? The Y. Yes, the Y. Which can be equals to the Y, can also be equals to what? The V over the Y, which is the Y all over what? The X. Hope you know that is all about that. This is also the same thing as V. This is giving me V of what? The V and the x, the y rather, v and the y. That is all about, that's what I want you to understand this. Yeah, that what really shows difference between the first one and the second one. Now, so originally the original differential equation y prime prime equals to fy y prime prime double prime, use the second order, become is it became or become, let me use become to become um d squared y all over dx squared. That is what we normally, that is second order. It will be equals to dv all over dx, yes, which also can be equals to v dv all over dx, no, all over dy alone, it should be dy, sorry, all over dy also can be equals to v u of and what, v of x. That is the function of what, yx. Now those things can become as far that equation is concerned. That is all about that. That is to say, just note that, can I say that what? That is to say, my v of dy, the x, it will be equals to function of y v. That is all about that. Now, that is all about that. Now, we now obtain v as a what? As a function of y and a relationship and the relation results from y and what, and x by solving now. Please take note of this information very, very well. They are very important. Make sure you guide it very well. They are very, very important. Okay, let me now try to give example that can really help, maybe 2 or more or less. No, 2 is okay. 2 should be 2 examples. Now, for instance, now I'm talking about reduction formula. Sorry. Now, okay, if I have solve y prime prime plus y prime of squared equals to 0. Now, how will I achieve this number? Because it's question. Solution to this question. Solution. Now, how will I achieve this? What I will just do is that what? Let my v equals to y prime and my v prime equals to what? V all over dy. That is very, very simple things I will ever do so far. Now, since I have this, I will now move on by, I'll be having problem here, which is I'll be having y prime prime plus what? This one can be 1 all over y of what? Of y prime squared equals to 0. Now, which I have that. Don't forget that I've let this equals to this and this equals to this. It means I'll be having v of what? U all over dy plus this one will now be what? It will now be 1 all over y v squared equals to 0. Since I have this, I can now move on by having, how do I solve it now? I think there will be problem here. I can reduce this by what? I can divide both sides by having dy which is equals to what? Plus it will be v all over y equals to 0. Now, my integrating factor is allowed. My p of x, p of y, it will be equals to 1 all over y. Now, my q of y, it will be equals to what? To be equals to 0. Now, since I know that, I can now move on by having what is my integrating factor? My integrating factor can be exponential of a p of s, which is 1 all over what? Of dy, which is equals to what? Ln y, which is equals to y. Now, I can now decide to multiply all through by what? I want to multiply this, which is going to be what? I'll be having v of what? Integrating factor equals to what? Integral of q of y of integrating factor of dy. Now, since I have this, I can now move on. What is my integrating factor? I have u of y equals to what? Integral of what? Is 0 of what? Of y dy, because my q of s is what? Is 0. Now, if I should integrate this, I will have what? My v of y equals to what? C equals to c, because it will surely give me one constant I can understand. Now, it means my v, it will be equals to c all over y. My c equals to v all over y. What is my v? My v is already what? Given by having what? My v is already given to us by having dy all over what? The x. I can now proceed by what? My v, it will be equals to what? Dy all over the x. Now, which I can answer that what? My dy equals to what? C of y bracket of what? Dx. And I cross multiply, do a lot of manipulation. I have y dy equals to c dx. Now, if I should integrate the both sides, I'll be having I'll be having y squared. I don't know what I'm squared. Yes, supposed to be y squared. Now, I'll be having y squared, yes, equals to c of x plus what? Plus, let me use k, call it that. Where c and what? K are what? Are constant. Please take note of that. Are constant. It's very, very important. Where c and k are what? Are constant. That is very, very simple solution I can ever encounter. Now, I will give one more example on it, and we'll get this second case B. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. The last example what I just wrote here now, it was supposed to be y squared all over 2 equals to I'm talking about c of s plus k. This is how it's supposed to be after I integrate. Sorry for that mistake. It's a silly mistake, which it will be what? 2c of s plus what? 2k. Please, I'm very sorry for that. I can now do my, and don't forget that my c and what? K and k are what? Are constant. Are constant. Are constant. Please take note of that. That is how the solution is supposed to be. Now, let me now move on to the next one. The next one will be the next example that can also be of help to anyone on this platform. I want to move on to okay, let me try to give out this type of this example. I want to solve this particular problem using the method, which is y prime plus y prime of squared equals to y prime. Now I want to solve this problem. This is a very powerful problem. If I want to solve this problem, I must be very, very careful. It's different from the first one, and it's also a reduction method, other method, which is case B. Now, if I want to solve this problem, what I will just say as solution to this problem, the first statement is let me use this time around, let me use y prime, okay, equals to r, and y prime prime equals to r dr all over what? dy. I'm not using v, so that I'm just using r here now. There's not any problem. Since I have this, I want to put this into the equation. What are the equation? My y, which also implies, sorry, this is equals to this, and this equals to this. Now, what is my I have y dot of my r dr all over what? D plus, it means this is standing for what? For prime prime, which is going to be, okay, I have, what is my y prime? It means this is equals to what? R squared equals to, what I will have next, I'll be having r, because it's prime. Now, if I should do something very funny, I can say that what? My y, r dr all over dy plus r squared minus r equals to 0. Okay, what can I do? I think r is very common at this point. I can say that my r bracket of y the r all over dy plus what? R minus 1 equals to 0. Which I know that what? My r can be equals to 0 with help of quadratic problem. And also I can say that what? My I can say that my y dr all over dy plus r minus 1 equals to 0. I can know these are very possible to have. Since I have, this is my have. Now, what can I do next? I can say that what? My y is a constant. My y, at this point, y, it just is what? A arbitrary constant. I will now move on by having, can I avoid this r here? I mean, I'm working on this particular aspect now. I will be having the r all over dy plus what? R all over y equals to 1 all over what? R. Well, I mean y. Yes. If I have this type of things, what can I do? I work towards my what? My integrating factor, which is, recall that what? My integrating factor is always equals to dy all over the x plus what? P of y, P of xy equals to Q of x. Please take note of that information just to remind with you. Now, since I have this, I can now move on. I think it's a bit equal with what I'm having at the up. Forget the variable attached to. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? My integrating factor, which is my function. How will I go here now? I can now say that what? What is my p? What is my p? P of x to be equals to 1 all over y. My q of x is also equals to 1 all over y. Now, my integrating factor is always equals to exponential function of 1 all over y dy, which is equals to, I'll be having e of ln y, which is equals to y with the help of my logarithm. Now, since I have that, I can now say that what? My what? I will now move on by having my y equals to that, equals to that. Now, I can now say that what? Y of what? Of x, which is what I'll be having r of my integrating factor equals to integral of q of my what? Integrating factor of what? Of the y. Since I have that, of my what? Of my dy. Now, I will now move on. What is my integrating factor? Is y. What is my p of y? I will now be having r of y equals to what? Integrating factor of what? What is my q of y dot y d what? Y. Which this will cancel this. My ry equals to what? Integral of what? Integral of what? dy. Which it will also y equals to what? Y plus what? Plus k. Please, I have to rub this side. Sorry. Please pick note. I have to rub this side. Now, if I have this, I can now divide all through by what? By r, which is equal by y, which is I'll be having 1 plus 1k all over y. Now, since I have this, don't forget that my r ends, my r is equals to what? Y prime. Now, what is my y prime? I can now recall for my y prime. My y prime is always equals to now my y prime is equals to what? Dy dx, which is equals to I can say that to avoid trouble, there won't be any issue anyway. I can say that okay, how will I solve this particular problem? I can turn it y plus what? K all over what? Y, just to find the answer. And I'll go like having I'll be having y of y, okay, y of okay, what can I do here to avoid my problem? Okay, I want to multiply all through by what? By this. I'll be having y plus what? K divided by what? Dy equals to, sorry, it's getting more interesting now. Now equals to, I'll be having integral of what? Dx. This is a constant, there won't be any issue. Once I have this, I will now integrate it, which is I can turn it to what? 1 plus what? K divided by y, all bracket of what? Dy is integral of what? This one will now be x plus what? Plus, let me just put c plus c. S plus c. Since I have s plus c, how do I integrate this rubbish? I can answer that one. This one will give me y plus, this one will give me ln k ln y. K ln y. Okay, k ln y, and equals to, yes, equals to s plus what? Plus k. By so doing that, I've solved my problem. I've really solved the question. That is all about that. Okay, that's all about that. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Just try to understand that this platform is a very powerful platform as far mathematics is concerned. Further Solutions Academy. Just encourage us more, help us to share it, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.